Good morning, students. From yesterday we are reading this 10th chapter, safety rules. In safety rules we have learnt that how we stay safe at home and safety in school, safety on the road. Today let's learn about safety on the playground. First one is wait for your turn on the swings. Okay, while you are going playground, wait for your turn on the swings. Second, do not stand in front of a moving swing. Always stand behind a moving swing. Okay, always stand behind a moving swing means do not stand in front of a moving swing. Okay, don't stand in front. Then do not push others on the slides. Okay, these are the safety rules on the playground. Now next is first aid. First aid is a medical help given to a injured person. Okay, now let's read this. Even if we follow safety rules, we may get hurt at the times. Okay, even if we follow safety rules, we may get hurt at times. It is very important to help when someone gets hurt. The help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives is known as the first aid. Okay, the help given to an injured person before a doctor arrives is known as first aid. Now, two important rules that should always be followed are: first one, never crowd around a person who is hurt. Okay, never crowd around a person who is hurt. Second one, call an elder or a doctor immediately. When someone got hurt, then call a doctor or an elder immediately. It is important to know how to give first aid to people whether needed. Let's learn some common first aid rules. Okay, now we are going to learn about first aid rules, means how to give first aid help to others when someone got hurt. First one, in case of cuts and wounds, clean the wound with clean water first. Then use an antiseptic lotion over the cut or the wound and call an adult. Antiseptic lotion is a cream which we use to stop the germs growing. Okay, in first rule, first of all, clean the cut or wound with clean water and then use an antiseptic lotion. Then in case of burns, putting ice cubes and cold water helps. You can even put an antiseptic ointment after that. Okay, in case of burn, when you touch by mistakenly a hot pan or boiling water, then you get burn, then you put ice cubes and cold water on the burn, and then you can even put an antiseptic ointment after. Ointment is also a type of cream which helps in get rid of the burn or hurt. Okay, then in case of a fall, means if someone fall or you fall, you can put ice cube on the area that is hurt till help arrives. And this is the first aid box, and these are the things required in first aid box: bandage, cotton, scissors, antiseptic lotion and crepe bandage. It is important to keep a first aid box ready at school as well as at home. If a person needs to be taken to a hospital, then ask a grown up to dial 102 and call an ambulance. Okay, when someone need a help from the hospital, then ask your elder to dial 102 and call an ambulance. And here write the name any three things that a first aid box has. Okay, in last page we have learned about that. Now let's read good and bad touch. A good touch makes us feel happy, safe and comfortable. We feel good when we get a pat on our back from our teacher or are hugged by our family members. Okay, what is a good touch? A good touch makes us feel happy, safe and comfortable. We feel good when we get a pat from our teachers and we get a hug from our family members. Next, however, sometimes when a person touches you, it makes you uncomfortable. Okay, someone like a younger person or a stranger touches you and you feel uncomfortable that time. That is a bad touch. If someone's touch makes you feel bad, run away at once. Do not go near that person. Okay, if when someone's touch makes you feel bad, then do not go near that person. Tell to your parents or elders about it. Okay, this is the chapter safety rules. Dear parents, please make sure your bard read the full chapter before doing any exercise or question answers. Okay, thank you.